instead, if I ask you what's the frequency of you eating broccoli,
Yeah. Sometimes a
um,
little, sometimes more, sometimes not. Yeah. Yeah.
exactly. So first of all, it cannot be a huge impact because it's sometimes, and then even
Hmm.
quantifying that sometimes is difficult. No.
I see.
Um, but yes, so that is one of the reasons. But so we can tell you basically whether you are a coffee drinker or not based on the microbiome with precision around 95%.
Hmm.
Because there is a specific imprinting on drinking coffee on your microbiome. And the biggest effect is on one specific microbe, which is called Losonibacter asaccharicus, is a complex name. Anyway, is a bacterium that if you're a coffee drinker, on average, you have from 6 to 8 times more abundant in the gut than in non-coffee drinkers. Um, and of course, at this point, one can ask, are you sure that is a direct link? Well, in this case, yes, because we cultivated this bacterium and we saw that it was growing well only when we added coffee into the cultivation media.
Wow.
So we have also the confirmation there.
Well, do you know either? I mean, what is it specifically about the coffee that's good for this creature? And two, is this species consequential at all? Does it help us, digest something or absorb something easily?
Yeah. These are exactly the two questions that are natural here, and then
Hmm.
we are trying to answer. For the first question, we are basically trying to decompose all the components of coffee.
Hmm.
There are a lot of, from caffeine to many other metabolites to many other actually fibers. And
Hmm.
we want to try one by one to see which of them is stimulating the most. So the other question usually we get is whether this works also for decaf coffee, and the answer seems to be yes. So it's probably not caffeine that
Yeah.
is impacting the most this microbe. But this is ongoing studies because we just discovered it, and we have the model set up just now to try to answer to that. For the second question, yes. So we didn't find a lot of direct correlation between the amount of this bacterium and cardiometabolic markers, which was a little bit surprising because all nutritionists are kind of in agreement that coffee is good for health, except if you have any, cardiovascular problem, maybe, but otherwise is pretty established that is good. And so the hypothesis that was maybe this bacterium mediating it, and it's something we still don't know. We don't have strong association right now, but maybe that these associations are just hiding. And yes, with this bacterium in vitro and in models, animal models, for example, we are trying to also understand this. What is the effect of this coffee stimulated bacterium on the gut ecosystem and also on the gut mucosa?
Hmm.